What's your name, please?
Okay, so my name is Asti Widyastri. You can call me Asti, and I'm here in Lincoln. Yes, of course.
Okay. For the one question, why did you choose this study at Unico?
Okay, the reason why I choose study at Unico because the first one, this university is near from my house. I'm from Chilibus and I think it's still near. And then the second reason is because my dad didn't allow me to go to other cities, so I joined in this university. And Alhamdulillah, in this university there is English education department, and that's really interested for me, so I joined there.
Why are you interested in majoring English department?
Okay, the reason why I interested in this major because I like English since I in junior high school. Yeah, I also joined English club like you guys. Day by day and month by month, I think I have a passion in this English. What is that language? Like, and I really enjoy it when I learn about English. And at that time, I decided to join English education.
What semester are you in here?
Now I'm in sixth semester.
About your opinion, yeah? How study life at Unico?
How study life at Unico? I think the environment is good and the air is so fresh in here because in Kuningan you know this city has a slogan that Kuningan asli, right?
Yes, right.
I think the air is so good, and then I love the electoral. I know the lapangan electoral, the electoral field that is so green, and yeah,
That's fresh.
that's very fresh.
Okay, for the class, let's proceed. What are the challenges while you were studying here?
Okay. The challenge while I study here because it's English, maybe about the language. When I enter the first grade, the first semester in here, I struggling with my my language because I feel like I'm not fluent like other people, and that's very challenging because I should do the presentation in English. And now after this semester, in the 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 semester, there's so many presentation that I should prepare in a day before. So it's kind of what is that? A bit preparation. So I should know about the material. Also, I should be able to present it at the phase. It's the challenges. And then in English education also we are not only learn about English, but we learn about education. That is like how we teach, the way how we teach young learners or the senior high school students, because this is education faculty. So that is the big challenge for me because in initial I don't have an intention to be a teacher at first, but now when I am the sixth semester, I think become a teacher is not that bad. And the subject, the course of the education subject is kind of more challenging for me because that's more hard for me. Yeah, like that.
Okay, maybe enough.
Yeah.
Thanks for your image. Okay.
You're welcome.
Hello. My name is Naomi. You can call me Nadia. I am here. I want to do something.
Yes. Yes, of course.
Okay. First, why did you choose to study art?
Why I choose here? Because first this close from my house, and because this is when aku pertama kali masuk ke sini tuh, baru tahu that this is the one and only English major in Union. Aku baru tahu itu aku salah. Nah, terus and first is first itu dekat because it's close from my house, and second is because I want to take English class, English major, and then and here is not also not that expensive, and that's why.
Why you are studying and majoring English difficulty?
Because first is when I realized because English is important in the global like job or earning money, and then in this era, like modern era, like I realized English is important, and I choose English major because I have very good experience about English.
What semester
I'm in sixth semester.
how study life at
In my opinion, it's what I feels like wow. Why? Because the environment like so much green, yeah, so much clean, very seger dari pandangan atau udaranya, ya. Dan luas juga, dan let's for the dari segi orang-orangnya juga di sini juga cukup saling support, ya, saling support, dan tentunya ramah.
what are the challenges while you are
Okay, for my challenges is one. The first is because I don't really like just a little bit interesting about English. So the first is from myself, and it's a little bit hard to learning, like and then going to work and doing that first. And second is from the I need to be like often to studying, like often to speaking, often to listening, because if I don't do that, I really kerasa banget susahnya dari diri sendiri pertama. Terus yang kedua itu yang paling ini ya paling hard gitu. Tapi ada apa yang lain juga. I want you to know that if gak aku aja semuanya yang belajar di sini tentunya khusus bahasa Inggris, ya. Aku mau kasih tahu kalau orang-orang yang susah belajar bahasa Inggris di sini itu benar-benar diberikan akses yang mudah. Kayak misalnya dosen atau pengajar tahu muridnya kemampuannya sendiri, mereka nggak menyamakan tugas, nggak kayak bukan menyamakan, kayak bukan tugasnya beda-beda, tapi kayak pasti diberikan kemudahan. Kayak levelnya itu pasti udah semestinya, oh ini universitas, tugasnya itu udah universitas. Intinya beneran di sini diberikan kemudahan dari karena sometimes so much student here that can apa ya kuat terus keluar ya gitu ya dari sini the one and only just English padahal itu dari kemauan dari dosa dari kemampuan menurut saya udah sangat cukup gitu. Itu tambahannya.
Thank you for your attention and that's all from me.
Yes.